Hello everyone. Welcome to my CorelDraw tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a simple business card. You learn in this tutorial, you learn how to create simple business cards. How you can design business card for any business. So it's just a very simple way of doing it. All right, so this one I'm going to be doing like a very simple front and back. So we're going to start with our shape tool. I, I mean the rectangle tool. I don't know why I'm always confusing the rectangle tool with the shape tool. Now, the normal size for a business card is always you use 3.0 by 2.1 as the minimum size of that. So I'm going to zoom in since we are working with this. Okay, so I'm going to select my shape tool and just give it a round edge. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to get another rectangle tool. Then this time around, I'm going to shape it. So let me give this a color of white. Then I want to give it, let me see what kind of color should I give this. Anyway, for now, let's just maintain an outline color of blue. Okay, so this is the next thing I want to do now. I want to shape this. So I'm going to convert it to curves. I select my shape tool to give it the specific design that I want. Okay, so I'm going to add a node here. I'm also going to add another node here. Then I'm going to delete this one. So I'm going to convert this place to curves. Okay, so next I want to do is to bring these ones down. Not quite what I'm looking for. Let me undo it. Okay. Nope. I want to undo the whole thing. All right. So I'm going to drag this one here. I'm going to add a node here. Then I'm going to add another one here. Then let me convert this one to curves. Okay. This one should come down. Depending on whatever style you want to use, just make sure you get your image design properly. Okay, so I'm going to go with this. Trying to find a particular color. Okay, deep blue, so navy blue. All right, let's go with this one. Just for the sake of, we'll copy this and paste it here. So I'm going to power clip this. How do you power clip? You hold the object, you right click it, and you move it inside the shape. Then you power clip it inside. All right, so right click on this. I'll bring the shape in here. So I'm going to try and reduce it. Then I'm going to enlarge it a bit and shift it here. And let's just this way. All right, so that's the first thing. Let me adjust it a bit. Okay, so the next object we want to create, so we're going to power clip it also. So, or better still, let's go back inside it. You right click on the object, you edit power clip. So let's paste, copy and paste this. So I'm going to give it a green color, not directly green one. So let me just look for some. Okay. All right. So I want to remove this outline. So I'm going to remove the outline even for this one as well. So I'm going to bring this one. I'm going to take this one to the back. By right clicking on it, I'm moving on other and selecting back to layer. Okay, I think I should copy this one as well because I'm still going to need the color. So we don't have to be finding the color every time we want to make use of it. All right. Um, let's adjust something here. So I'm going to bring this one this way. I don't need some path here. I just want to write some. Should I delete this one? Okay. I think this one is better this way. Since we've already set it to other or back, so it's going to do double. Not yet. You can actually try it in various ways depending on what you want to do. So for this tutorial, let me just adjust a little bit of some things there to make it look more. Let's adjust this one a little here and move it up. Okay, so let's come to this one. We'll select the shape 2 as well. Okay, looking more like a curve now. This is covered. And now just this one inside a little bit. Okay, so here is what we have. Then I want to craft out a little logo now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to convert it to curves. Then I'm going to add a node. I'm not doing much this thing here. I'm going to add a node here. I'm going to add another one here and bring it down. Okay, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay, so I'm paste it here. I'm going to give it a color of white, and I'll remove the outline. Is it white? Should we make use of white? Anyway, so let me reduce this. It's a little bit up here. All right, so I'm going to let's try and let's move this color closer. No. Okay, so let's duplicate this. I've duplicated it already, so I'll bring it down. Then I'm going to move this color to fill in the color. Okay, I'm also going to duplicate this as well. Push it inside. I'll give it a color of okay, so I'll give it a color of white. Now let's zoom out a bit. Then the next thing I want to do is to get a V, a text of V. Then I'm going to select the font called Maya Pro Bold. Then I want to give it this blue color. Actually give it whatever you want. This is what I want to give it here. So I'm moving it inside this place. I'm going to zoom in to make it a little bit smaller. All right, so that's for that. So instead of having to go and look for the text too, so I'm just going to copy the v text since it's going to be the same font. So I'm going to change it to white so I can see it. Then I'll just say v V exclusive. No, sorry, I must press something. V exclusive. V exclusive technology. So I'll change the alignment to center, and I need to reduce the text to something around 8. I'll put it here. Let me see, reduce it. Okay. So I'm going to select the shape to reduce the space between this text. All right. So now this text, I want to move it a little bit upper. All right. So let's zoom out. So let's add some text now. Okay. So I'm going to copy this, and here is white. So let me copy the text color here. Okay. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So just like we want to add the name. All right, let's just type Kevin Richards. Let's duplicate this and say is managing director. So I'm going to give this, sorry, I'm going to give this text this color of blue, okay, of this navy blue, very deep navy blue. I'm going to increase it to like 14. Okay. Let me see. 12 is okay. So let me zoom in to see. Let's just put the managing director here. All right. It seems our V exclusive technology has moved from here. So let's just return it back to where we took it from and give it the white. All right. So the next thing we want to add is probably email. Email if he has, then yeah, just like contact information. So let me just say this one is plus 23409. I mean 9011225670. Let's add another one. 234. Let's just use, these are arbitrary phone numbers. They are not, they don't, they are arbitrary phone numbers. So I'm going to copy this and paste. So let me say Kevin dot Richards. Kevin dot Richards at vexclusive.com. That's the mail. Um, let's just say, let's just give it a web address. Say www.exclusive.com. The last one is like we have an email, we have a phone number, we have okay, let's put an address there. So let's just say FCT, no, let's say plot 506 FCT estate, and we say trying to put a comma, and we say Abuja, Nigeria. You can put any location you want there. But for this one, I'm going to change the alignment from left, from center to left. Okay, so the next thing I wanted, let me just add the number here so that this thing will properly align. So the next thing I want to do is I want to get like some images. I want to get some images. Before then, let me just see if I can give this one a more dark color. Okay, so anyway, this let's just deal with the front alone. Yeah, so I want to get some images to just like an icon that depicts phone number, websites, and the likes of them. So for you to get that, you can use images of your own choice. Then you can also get on the CorelDraw environment by pressing Ctrl F11. So you go to Webdings or Webdings. So I have a phone here. The next thing I want to look for is anything that looks like a web. Okay, I'll pick this one. We need okay, this one will be good for an envelope. Then we need something like that looks like a location. So which one can we make use of? All right, let me just, if I can't find any, I'll just make use of one, and you can even design it. Okay, so let's make use of this one. Just that this one has eyes, and this one is the email. Move it here. This one is the web, and this one is the phone number. So you can give it, let's give it this navy blue color. I'm copying the fill here, and we're also copying the outline. Okay, same thing for this one. We'll copy the fill. No. You know what? Let's move all these things outside. Okay, so we'll copy the fill here. So that's for down. We'll copy the fill for this one. It's done. We'll also copy the fill for this one. We'll copy for this one as well. Copy fill here. So let's rearrange this properly. For the phone number, move it here. For the mail, this one here. Sorry, this one here. Bring the address a little bit downward. Let's bring this one downward as well. This is the web address. Bring it here. Let me zoom and see if I can get rid of these eyes everything. What do I do? Okay. Let's get the Eclipse 2. Give you the whites. Remove this. I don't like the that makes it eyes like. All right, it can be anything. You can get an icon. So I'm going to group this and reduce it. So I'm going to zoom out so I can close out this one. I don't need them. Then so it's just to reduce all this. Okay, this one can be better than this. Or if you can get something that is similar. And I'm also going to reduce this one as well. I think the phone number is okay. Let me just highlight the two of them together and move them forward. Then for the email, this for the web. Then for this one, which is the location. So we are done with our business card. So we zoom in. This is exactly what we just did. Exactly what we just did. But you might want to do the back. Let's just so basically this is just a simple complement. I mean business card. We call it you can call it a complimentary card. We call it business card, whichever term you want to use. So this is just an example of a way you can design a simple business card. So please try and work things out on your own. Try and practice it also to see how you can do it as well. Then don't forget to like my video, make your comment on the video. If you have any questions, my mail is in the description of the video. You can send me a mail, or you can ask your question in the comment box. I will apply. I mean, I will reply to your questions. Don't also forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.